There is always a bit of an inherent catch-22 in any profession really, but particularly in advertising, because you're so dependent on your portfolio. And is that catch-22 of you might not have a very strong portfolio because you haven't worked with many clients, but until you work with clients, you can't get a good portfolio. So you can get stuck in that merry-go-round. I think passion counts for a lot, without sounding too sort of wishy-washy about it. I think if you can show that, you genuinely are interested in, this really is what you want to do. This isn't just some sort of pipe dream. That counts for a lot. I think people do respond to that. But then on a more practical level, if I talk about portfolio for a second, there are ways of getting a portfolio together. I think generally speaking, any kind of client, they're coming to you with a problem. They want more sales, they want more awareness, whatever it is. They're coming to you with a problem of some kind. What they sort of want to know is that you're not going to give them more problems. You just need to show them that you can answer those problems. You can solve those problems for them. And so any work you can show them that's relevant in any way, and it can be anything. It can be blogs. I've shared work in my early days with clients from video games magazines, and it had nothing to do with what they were doing. But they can see something in that. So I think if you can find that, again, that kind of core of the skill that the client's asking for, and say, look, I know you need a writer who's got medical experience in the UX field, for example. I don't have that, but here's what I do have, which shows that I can understand a field, I can understand a vertical, then I think they'll respond to that.